Hello friends, welcome back once again. If you don't know me and new to the channel, my name is Azam. I am pursuing a Master in Chemical Engineering from University of Calgary, Canada. And this is the second video on this playlist called Canadian Student Permit. And what basically I'm doing here, putting all the videos that really required if you want to apply for a visa and from scratch, and everything like how to do IRCC registration, what's the first form basically required, and what's the small details, those details nobody talk about, and what is the chances, how to increase your chances of a visa approval. So all these things comes in a playlist, so I highly recommend to go and watch all video on this playlist. And just for disclaimer, I'm not an agent, I'm just a student like you. So what I am explaining here is just a kind of experience what I have so far. So and I already got approval from IRCC in a first attempt. I didn't get any kind of a rejection from IRCC. So that's all things we will talk about here. But in this video we are just bounded about that how to open IRCC, how to register with the IRCC. So that's the one thing we should start. And because this is the second video. First video we already talk about the documents requirements, like what is the eligibility criteria, you can go or not, what is the minimum documents required, what is the financial documents required, proof of funds, a letter of intent, or we call the letter of explanation, and the other information. So I highly recommend you guys just to go and watch that video first. If you don't want to watch that video right now, just continue with this video, and at the end of video you just go and select the video and start watching that video, because that's having all the information, like 10-minute video. And this video is just about the how to go and register with the IRCC. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started, buddy. So from the last video we stopped somewhere here, and there is options to go with there is two options. So we are not partner, so we just have to go with the GCKey option to sign up. And if you click that, so you have to register with the IRCC secured account. So you just have to go briefly and read that information. There's a very informating information. There is a 9 points you have to go and check you have everything, and then go and click that registered with the GCKey. Then it will come to the next page, and they talk about signing your username and password. I already have that, so you have to click the sign up for the new one. So if you're the first time, there will be blank, so you have to accept here, and then go and choose your username should be unique, and sometimes you cannot find your own name, so that should be unique. They are registering all this information. And after that, username is checked, then you go to the create a password. Password should be on the right side. You can see there is checklist, so you should have like 8 to 16 character and blah blah things. So just go and read it and try to put your password. And then after that, there is a security questions, right? The create your recovery questions called, and that we have to put all this information, like your own question, your own answer. So just be careful, right? And then put all this information you have, and then you make sure that take a screenshot of these things, otherwise you may lose that information. You cannot get back to that IRCC user ID. So I highly recommend just screenshot this video and then take it on your drive or Gmail. If you get to the next one, then you said is successfully created, and then you have to go and continue that. When you continue that, now you are going to the next step of this. Now you have to create one more account. That was only for the security things, but here you put all this information, like your username, password, your first name, second name. This is kind of similar things what we generally do, but here is a little bit more detail. Like username is done, then the rest of your information is here. So you just have to go to continue, and here is the create a secret questions here. So that's the two different items. For first is a login, and then there is a secret question. Both you just have to screenshot it put in somewhere else, you know, in your drive or some on your drive or your email or folder somewhere, that because this item will require for a long time. It's not only the student permit. If you go to the PGW postgraduate work permit, that's required, and then the other, like if you're going to express entry or any, so that's required, otherwise you will lose all your information. So I highly recommend that take a screenshot. So after that, you can see from here, now your account is active, like GASM account, and then from here apply to Canada. So from here you can just click, and then you can go and start applying for Canada any permits, because you don't have any personal reference code. So you go for this option, and then from here you start your journey. Okay guys, so this is what we have, and I hope this is a very quick one, so that you don't waste your time, you know, just go on 4 and 5 minutes of video. That's the maximum one you can get, and definitely it will help you, and then you collect all the information. This is the very quick video what I produced for you guys. I would appreciate if you share this video to someone who is looking for apply for study permit visa this year or the next year. And this video is well prepared and lots of research happened. I really appreciate if you can like this button, like it, and subscribe to this channel, because it will not harm you anything, but definitely it get motivated me, and then I can prepare this kind of information. This is not done, right? I'm going Canada. I have tons of videos coming up for you guys, and definitely check out my my YouTube channel for further videos. And for that, thank you for watching. I hope this will help you, and take care. Bye bye. Peace.